Changing your username on Vrbo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log in. Access the Vrbo website or app and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section or under your account name. Step 3. Select Username. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option to edit your username. This may be labeled as Profile or Account Information. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it meets any requirements set by Vrbo, such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, save the changes. You may need to confirm your password or verify your identity to complete the update. Now your username has been successfully changed on Vrbo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vrbo customer support for assistance.